Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another Monday Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Not sure what it is, but we're about to find out. I just can't believe how fast this year is going. Oh boy. What do we have here? Oh jeez. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab my other phone, set it up. Wireless IP camera, nice. We got a one pack. And we got HD, two-way audio, cloud storage, encryption, 9-day, motion, waterproof is IP66, so that's a good one. Take a look inside. I'm gonna have to grab my other phone and set up the app and all that good stuff for you guys. Oh, we got, this is what it looks like. Oh, these are nice. BNT. Oh yeah. Got some action. I'll find a spot for these. But like I said, I'm gonna have to hook it up. Here's a wire, all that good stuff, wireless. Oh, this is nice. We're about to get back in business, guys. Like I said, I just gotta grab my phone, backup phone, charge it up, and then program this one, and then figure out where I'm gonna set it up. But this is what it looks like. You put the antenna right there, and probably QR code. We got good stuff down here. This is probably where the memory card goes. BNT. Why is my computer listening? Oh, that's why. There we go. BNT. I'm not sure if it's actual BNT, but we'll find out once we get the app set up. There's that. Got those. And we got the power cord right here. So that should be easy install for that. The only things, like I said, I gotta do in this video is gonna just install the app, run the app, and show you how the camera works. But I'm probably not gonna hook it up probably till this weekend. Show you how it's set up outside, but most likely everything will be shown in this video, but except for that part. I'll be back, YouTubers. This could be fun stuff. See ya. Alright, YouTubers, we got the backup phone going here, the Galaxy 9 Plus. We'll be getting the 10s shortly, or Galaxy Note 10 I'll be getting shortly. I got the 10 Plus I'm recording. This is like the all whacking in, whack, whack, whack. So we got, take the power cord at least off. So I do got a spot now where we could turn this thing on here and zoom in, zoom out, and that's what I like to see. So just plug that in really quick into my outlet, my power surge right there. Here we go. That's in there good. Alright, so pretty simple. For starters, grab that right here, and oh, this is like a reset button. Oh, nice. A lot of cameras don't have that feature. Here we go. Remove that. Should light up at least to do something. Whoa, that's night vision. Yeah, buddy. Now I'm gonna pull up the alright, that's good sound. Oh shoot, it's gonna be beeping. BNT night vision. That's nice. Nice cam. Alright, phone, make sure you got your Google ready, or your iOS, whatever you guys use. I'm gonna search. Oh, easy there. Sorry about the beep, but you gotta do this right. Comes with a nifty screwdriver and an antenna right here. That's always good. We got some screws right here. And bada boom, we got the manual stuff going. Alright, settle down. Settle down, camera. So don't be afraid of the noise, it's just doing its thing. Okay, method 1, search YI space IoT, YIOT, on Google Play or iOS. Or there's a couple QR codes right there where you can scan, boom. And then that's what we're going to be doing. Actually, no, let's go on Google Play and search away. So really cool, got choices. Where's the Google Play? Google. Alright, we know we are live. Google. Play Store. Alright. So, YIOT. Oh, that's what's going to pop up. This is the Android. So, and install. We all know that to do. Easy peasy. Hopefully it's a fast one. Sorry about the glare. Still getting this lighting down. There we go. A little bit better. And don't worry about that. That's a good sound. So we gotta open. I'm definitely gonna have to put my Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go black for a second while I'll do it. Yep. You just gotta enter your email, set up an account, all that good stuff, which will take like less than 3 minutes or under. Uh-oh. I need to sign up. Okay, enter username, enter email. That thing is loud though. So sorry about that part, but that is out of my control. Just let me type this in really fast. Alright, almost there. I'm just putting in my passwords. Oh man, it sounds like I'm in a hospital. I hate those CAPTCHAs. It's not cool whoever made those CAPTCHA things. Alright, there we go. I am activated. It's gotta pull up. Now it's gonna send you an email activation link. Just gotta click on that. Confirm within 30 minutes. I'll definitely confirm that. Roger that. Roger. Give me 1 sec. Where are you? Pop up. And there we go. Activation required. There you are. I found you. So it takes really fast. Alright. Almost there, guys. Click on the link. And it should be good to go. Success. Joined. See, it'll show right there. Okay. And re-enter your password or your username. Now let's enter my email. Hopefully that'll be the last beep before we do the other beeps. Bada boom, bada bing. We are in this thing. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Two-way audio speaker. Real-time alerts. Cloud service. Allow. Okay, easy peasy setup. Pretty much. Let's go add to the camera. Okay, I have a double beep. Oh yeah, we heard them. Oops, password time. Make sure you remember your password router number. I always get confused. I got so many different passwords.
Please face the
Whoa.
QR code towards the camera lens and wait for it to scan.
Whoa.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected.
Alright. Dang, that was loud. Sorry about that, guys.
Pairing is successful.
Alright.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
Woohoo! That's what I like to hear. Let's start using. You can purchase subscriptions for the cloud, but right now I'm going to do the demo. And oh boy, whoa, guys, look at this. Record video length. You could do it, dip it sideways. Dang, there's night vision. That is crazy clear. Here's my roof. There's a table. There's my other. I'll see that it's now. I'm confused. It's like, what am I? Night vision or normal? That's crazy how clear it is. Here's my PS4. So yeah, definitely YouTubers, check these guys out. I do believe it's BNT. If not, I'll have it corrected down below. And definitely grab a couple for your home. Definitely nice to have as many of these you can. Sucks that we gotta use these now, but you know, but be more secured is the way to go. You can see the lens, the purple around the lens. Yeah, these are nice. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Oops, sorry about that. Be safe and have a good night. See ya.